welcome to my video, and this is a video on the ORBMART flip door for the GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11. Now I bought this off AliExpress for £3 and that includes the tax on there and postage. This is just exactly like the GoPro door that you get on those cameras, exactly the same, but with an extra door here where you can flip this up and put your USB-C cable right through the door to the female connector of the GoPro camera. To install it is pretty easy. You just get your GoPro camera, you remove the standard GoPro door on there, and you place the ORBMART door on there the same way. And it clicks down into place, and there we have it. Now at this point I have to remind you folks that this is no longer waterproof. Now it's showerproof but not waterproof, because obviously you got the pass-through here for your charging, while with the standard door it's all sealed, so it's no longer waterproof at this point. As you can see here, it has a little instruction here to tell you, you just flip up this little flap here and you can see the USB-C port, and you can just simply put your connector straight into there, and that's it. Now this is very good for if you're doing time lapses and you want to connect your GoPro camera to a battery source or a power source. You can simply, instead of removing the whole entire door and having the battery exposed or the inside of the camera exposed to keep power on while you're doing a lot time lapse, you can just have it like this. Now I must say that when it's like this, it's still not waterproof, so be aware of that. And you can able to use this door with the GoPro Volta as well, because it does work with the Volta as well. Now I know that GoPro do their own version here, which you normally get with the Volta, which gives it a bit of a seal for showery weather in the rain and that. And this can provide you the same kind of protection, because obviously this door provides like a little kind of cover over the connection of the USB-C in there. To remove the door, it's quite simple. Again, we take out the connector, we close the door up, and at the top here where this line is, you simply push down, pull down, and you can lift the door up and take it off like a normal GoPro door and reinstall back the door. This is my thoughts on the ORBMART door for the GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11. This is not a bad door for its price. It does have the same slim form factor as the standard GoPro door, but this one, as I said, has a pass-through, and it is better than the door pass-through door that you get with the GoPro Volta. It's better than that, and I would say it's even better than the door that you get from Ulanzi, which doesn't have this kind of cover over the USB-C port. When I say it's better, it's a lot thinner than the door that you get with the GoPro, and it doesn't have this kind of groove cut out there for the wire, so it does able to take the Volta. So if you've got a Volta, because this comes with the Volta, if you've got a Volta, it does still fit in here. The USB-C wire connector does still fit in there, so it's better. I'd say this is better than the Volta door. And as for the standard GoPro door itself, it does have the same kind of thickness on there, a nice bit of rubber on the back to give it some protection from water. Obviously it's not as waterproof as the actual door because it's a pass-through door, so be aware of that. So it's just as good as that. It is made out of plastic, just like the Volta's door, So it's made out of plastic, but it's a good plastic, I have to say. and when it does fit on, it fits with a nice satisfying click as the standard GoPro door. So for £3 from off AliExpress, this is well worth its money. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. I perfectly understand my videos can be long, but I like to go into detail on the item or the product, so when you get it, you know what to expect. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the channel. I'll be grateful for that, and I'll see you next time.